Since you clicked on this video, I know you have a desire to want to improve something about yourself. Perhaps you want to learn a new skill, become more productive, replace a bad habit, or improve your relationship. We all have a desire to want to improve ourselves and attain perfection in all aspects of our lives. The truth of the matter is that it is not possible for everyone to attain perfection in every aspect of their life. Therefore, they must choose in what areas they want to improve in. In this video, I am going to give you 10 tips for self-improvement. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Sean Christian, physician, author, entrepreneur, and founder of Confidenceiatry. We release new videos on this channel every Friday, so hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you get notified when new helpful videos are released. Tip number 1. Focus on health. When most people want to be productive and get things done, they want to work quietly without distractions until they finish the task at hand. Likewise, your mind needs an environment where it can function optimally. To give your mind this environment, you need to focus on your health. Not only does it reduce your risk of diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, and diabetes, but it also has many other benefits. Focusing on your health can occur in various forms, such as starting an exercise routine, eating healthier, or getting rid of bad habits. All these things regulate our hormones and emotions, boost our immune system, and increases our energy, which all play a role to give us the environment where our brains can keep us motivated and focused. Tip number 2. Learn something new. If you continue to do the same thing every day and not seeing any results, this is a clear sign you must change something because what you're doing is not working. The process of self-improvement requires you to change and improve. This could be learning a new skill, talent, or hobby. There are endless opportunities to keep on learning. The learning can occur in various forms such as online courses, blogs, podcasts, books, videos, or even mentors. Tip number 3. Get enough rest. Our days are often so busy with work, study, kids, family, watching TV, listening to audiobooks, spending time on social media, cleaning, cooking, or working out. The optimal number of hours an adult should sleep is between 7 to 9 hours. Sleep is important because it gives your mind and body the environment it needs to function optimally. It also helps regulate and release hormones that control growth, appetite, metabolism, and healing. Increased brain function, focus, concentration, and productivity. Reduces your risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, hypertension, and diabetes. Helps with weight management, and maintains your immune system. Tip number 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness allows you to become aware of your senses, emotions, and state of mind. It allows you to be fully present, aware of what you're doing, and not be reactive or overwhelmed by what is occurring around you. Practicing mindfulness helps you to become self-aware and helps you to understand in what areas you need to improve. Many scientific studies have shown that mindfulness can also help reduce stress, anxiety, help control emotions, improve sleep, control pain, increase attention span, and promote emotional health. Tip number 5. Meet new people. Meeting new people is a great way to improve yourself. Not only does it give you the chance to practice your social skills, but it also exposes you to new ways of looking at the world and learning from other people's experiences. Look for opportunities where you can meet new people. This can be at work events, networking events, or even at a bar or restaurant. Tip number 6. Set goals. You can set goals for many aspects of your life. This could be health goals, relationship goals, finance goals, career goals, vacation goals, etc. Setting goals and then forgetting about them will be of no use to anyone, and it is considered to be wishful thinking. The purpose of setting goals is to set them and actually take action to work towards them. To learn more about how to use SMART goals for personal growth, you can check out our video on this topic. The link will be in the description below, and a pop-out notification will come on the top right-hand section of this video. Tip number 7. Journal. The journaling process varies from person to person. Journaling allows you to focus on yourself more because you write your feelings and thoughts and reflect on them. Essentially, you are becoming your own therapist. It also gives you a way to track your self-improvement progress, reduce stress, become productive, and happier. It is an empowering process because you are addressing your problems rather than feeling helpless. You can note down how you feel, any stress-triggering events and situations, or emotions you spot day to day. Try to be honest as possible. Tip number 8. Change your mindset. People who believe that someone is born with their skills, talents, good looks, confidence, or success have a fixed mindset. These people often do not take action or change themselves or the situation they are in. When someone has a growth mindset, they constantly find ways to improve themselves, learn new skills, and never stop learning. These are the ones who do not let obstacles or roadblocks get in their way. They find ways to plow through them and overcome them. Therefore, they are always more successful, not because they are lucky, but because they put in the work and effort. Tip number 9. Get out of your comfort zone. Your mind's job is to protect you from danger. It does this by creating a psychological cage. This cage holds you back from taking risks and pursuing your dreams. It does this by creating fear and self-doubt. It can also release a flood of hormones that result in anxiety symptoms. The good news is that humans are programmed to adapt. The more you experience being outside of your comfort zone, the more your mind realizes that there is no real threat and lets you operate outside of the comfort zone. For those who find it difficult to operate outside of their comfort zone, start by taking small baby steps and go from there. This can be trying a new dish, experiencing a new place, starting an online dating profile, joining a networking event, starting a conversation with a stranger, or picking up a new hobby. Tip number 10. Accept failure. Failure is a normal part of life. Everyone experiences it at some point in their life. It could be to achieve a goal in a relationship, during a race, at school, or even at work. It becomes a problem if you let failure pull you down or if you do not learn from the experience. Failure is a stepping stone to success. It is a learning opportunity to change how you do something so you can do it better the next time. Someone once asked Thomas Edison what it was like to fail so many times at making the light bulb. He replied, "I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work." If he did not learn from each attempt, we would all be sitting in darkness today. People like Thomas Edison, who accept failure and learn from it, are the reasons we have so many advances in technology, healthcare, and automobile industry today. Conclusion. Self-improvement can only be possible if you put in the work and effort. After all, the meaning of self-improvement is that you are improving your own knowledge, status, skills, and characteristics by your own efforts. Self-improvement is something that takes time and will not happen overnight. Keep taking action and constantly put in the work, and you will be grateful when you see the new and improved you. If you know someone who will benefit from this video, please share this video with them. Also, if you haven't already done so, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any important video. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter at Confidenceiatry.